Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'm going to walk you through how to change the name of a label in Gmail, the full 2026 version. It's a really simple tweak, but yeah, it makes your inbox way easier to manage. So let's get into it. So first, just sign into your Gmail account like you normally do. On the left side, you'll see all your labels. You might need to scroll a little, depending on how many you've got. Now, hover your mouse over the label you want to rename. You'll see three little dots appear. Kind of a quick options menu. Click that and then choose Edit. It's right near the top. A small window will pop up with the current label name. Just erase it and type in whatever new name you want. It updates instantly, so yeah, no need to save anything extra. Once you're done, hit the Save button. Then your label changes right away on the sidebar. If for some reason it doesn't show up, just refresh the tab and it'll pop in. Oh, quick tip, if you've renamed a label that has sublabels, Gmail updates those automatically. And yeah, if you're using the Gmail mobile app, you can't rename labels there yet, so you got to use a computer for this. And that's it. You've just changed the name of a label in Gmail, full 2026 guide. Super quick, super clean. If this helped you out, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next tutorials.